Hey everyone! Ever feel like you're missing out on the best AI features because you're not a student anymore? Well, good news. Google is currently offering a full month of Gemini Advanced at no cost for everyone. That means access to Gemini 3 Pro, 2 terabytes of storage, and AI integrated right into your Gmail and Docs.
Welcome to Digital Hustle Academy, your ultimate guide to mastering digital skills and making money online.
We are Digital Hustle Academy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to claim your free month and what you can do with it. Let's jump into the screen.
First of all, you have to go to your Google or Chrome. You type Gemini Business. You will see Google Gemini. You click on the second one, which is Gemini Business. From there, you'll be directed to Gemini Enterprise. It's the same thing as Gemini Business. Then you will type your Gmail account to register. Once you register, you enter directly into the okay. Now we are here. Yogo Gemini Enterprise Try Business Edition at no cost for 30 days. First and last name, Crescence Lumiere. I would like to receive periodic communication. Okay, I have signed in. Get answers from your data. Now I have to connect data and more personalized experience. Hello, Crescence Lumiere. I'm having 31 days left for free trial. Now let us see what we can do with it. You can discover what's possible. We have a Nano Banana Pro for free. I believe we have View 3 too. Gemini Enterprise. Upload files, add from Drive. You can add from your Drive. Search Google, generate video, which is View 3. Wow, we have Google search here, box, calendar, Confluence, your Dropbox, your Drive, your OneDrive, your SharePoint, your Gmail, everything, Jira, Confluence, even things I've not seen before are here. Everything can be done here. You can check your Gmail account, everything in this place. You have your library, your agent, create agent, new chat, search. You can connect your data to the app. Now let me try a prompt. Professional image. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Transform my selfie into a fridge. Okay. Though I did not add my selfie here. Now we'll go. I'll try and add my picture. Then see what we have. Okay. I'll click on my picture. Then I'll type use this image or this picture. And let's see what we'll have. Okay, image generated by Nano Banana. That's very good. I love it. Okay, yeah, I think I'm the one who didn't explain it well. I wanted to say here that it should generate that image. That image that was generated by Nano Banana should make it say, "Good day, lovely subscribers. make sure to subscribe and click. But instead you created something else, which is okay too. Okay, now let's see how the video will look like. Good day, lovely subscribers. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and give me a comment. Okay, thank you if you like this video. Once your trial ends, you will need to buy, or you need to pay. Okay, the trial is just for 30 days.
It's really that simple. 1 month of pro-level AI to boost your productivity, and you don't need a student ID to get it. Just remember to set a calendar reminder for 29 days from now if you don't want to continue the subscription. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button.
Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to master your digital hustle.